Senior politician Vijay Mahapatra has sparked a fresh political debate in Odisha. Speaking at the Odisha Nagarik Manch on Friday, Mahapatra launched a sharp critique of the Biju Naveen Inspirational Foundation, indirectly targeting former 5T chairman V.K. Pandyan. Raising concerns over the management of properties linked to legendary leader Biju Patnaik, Mahapatra questioned how such assets are being handled. Without naming Pandyan directly, his remarks clearly pointed towards the ongoing controversy surrounding the foundation. He specifically questioned the decision to entrust Biju Patnaik's residence to a trust, calling it a matter of serious concern. Describing the property as a national asset, Mahapatra expressed unease over the possibility of a non-Odia entity taking control. Mahapatra added that this issue has been troubling him for quite some time. Meanwhile, the Biju Naveen Inspirational Foundation, linked to the legacy of both Biju Patnaik and Naveen Patnaik, continues to remain at the center of a growing political controversy. With opposition leaders questioning its structure and intent, the debate is only intensifying.
नवीन निवास एवं 3 औरंगजेब रोड ये बिजुओं को घर ही पारे किंतु ये दुईटी घर होची भारतवर्ष लोकों को पाई जातीय संपत्ति से तांको व्यक्तिगत संपत्ति सत किंतु ये जातीय संपत्ति भाव सबुदिन ताको इतिहास मन रखियो किंतु घरटा को जन अनओडिया लोक ट्रस्ट नारे नेकी जीवो ताको ओडिया लोक गछ धरिका विश्वास करू एभली घटना आज भी घटुची 3 औरंगजेब रोडटा प्राइम प्रॉपर्टी इन दिल्ली से घटना को आज भी देखा मिलूँ से आज एक मुहूर्त आम समस्त सी आमर प्रेरणादायी रही भविष्य को तैयारी कर दायित्व आज जो मैंने जोग दे समस्ते यही कथा मन रखिजे आज ओडिशार इतिहास रे एक नुआ मूलदुआ नुआ वृक्षरोपण है मंत्र भावना नहीं समस्त घर